everyone, if you wanna deactivate your Threads account, then this video is for you. You can apply these process on iOS and Android mobile. Process are same. So first click on add this arrow right top bar and then click account and then click deactivate profile and then click deactivate thread profile, and your thread will be deactivated and immediately will be logged out from your device. And if you want to activate again, and then click on this icon, and now your account has been restored as before. So in this way you can activate and deactivate your thread account very easily. Thanks for watching.